Welcome back to English class. Let's discuss part 2 of Discovering Tooth. The saga continues. Before starting the text, I would like to request you to lend me your ears, eyes, as well as minds also. In his defense, Carter really had little choice. In his defense, defense means protection. In his safety, Carter really had little choice. If he hadn't cut the mummy free, thieves most certainly would have circumvented the guards and ripped it apart to remove the gold. Circumvented means cheated the guards and ripped, cut it apart means separated, to remove the gold. There was every risk of uh, cheating the guards and taking away the gold. In Tooth's time, the royals means members of royal families. Royals were fabulously, amazingly wealthy. Wealthy means rich. And they thought or hoped, expected, they could take their riches means wealth, in the form of gold and other items, riches with them for his journey to the great beyond king beyond. So for this journey to the great beyond after death, for his journey to the great beyond after death, it was believed that those items were required. King Tut was lavished with abundance, showered with glittering goods, glittering shining goods, things, precious colors, precious costly necklaces, inlaid necklaces, collars also necklaces, and inlaid means decorated, and bracelets, ornaments of the wrist, bracelets, rings, amulets, something worn, that is on arms, a ceremonial apron worn during ceremony, apron, outer garment, sandals, sheaths covering to keep the sword in, that is sheaths, for his fingers and toes. And the now iconic means like an icon, iconic inner coffin and mask. In the word meaning I have shown you the mask also and coffin also. 3 nested coffins I have shown in the word meaning, so that you can understand how you can see that Carter is there with the 3 nested coffins, and mask also is there. All of pure gold. You will find out that all these were made of pure gold. So think about how lavishly, understood, how there was abundance of each and everything. To separate Tooth from his adornments, things for decorating and makeup, that is adornments, Carter's men removed the mummy's head and separated nearly every major joint. Once they had finished, they reassembled gathered all those things again, collected the remains on a layer of sand in a wooden box with padding that concealed the damage. The bed where Tooth now rests. Let's proceed to the next paragraph. Archaeology has changed. How change is there? Substantially, greatly. You can say that considerable manner, that is substantially. In the intervening means in between decades, one decade is equal to 10 years, focusing less on treasure and more on the fascinating details of life and intriguing mysteries. Intriguing mysteries means mysterious secrets of death. Now concentration is to find out, to solve the mystery of his death. It also uses more sophisticated, complex and modern, sophisticated tools. With the passage of time, technology also got substantially improved also. So sophisticated tools are being used, including medical technology. Medical technology also got progressed with the passage of time. In 1968, more than 40 years after Carter's discovery, an anatomy, biographical term related to the body, anatomy professor x-rayed, here x-ray is used as verb, x-rayed the mummy and revealed a startling fact. Startling means that will amaze you, that is amazing fact. Beneath the resin, that cakes, here cakes word, my dear students, is used as verb. Cakes means covers his chest. Whose chest is referred to here? Tooth's chest is referred to here. His breastbone and front ribs are missing. So this is what is discovered, that these things were missing. Let's proceed to the next paragraph. Today, diagnostic imaging, diagnostic, that examines and now with the passage of time, technology also got increased, improved, and now we can just get more you can say subtle detail. Diagnostic imaging, capturing images can be done with computed means computerized tomography. So you should know what is tomography, technique of body examination through x-rays or CT scan, by which hundreds of x-rays in cross section are put together like slices of bread. Comparison is done like what is used by using the word like, it is the comparison is made explicit, clear, and slices, pieces of bread, to just like pieces of bread, to create a three-dimensional virtual body. Three-dimensional, you are familiar with this very word, having length, breadth and height, having volume, and virtual word also that real. So virtual body. What more would a CT scan reveal of tooth than the X-ray? And could it answer two of the biggest questions still lingering about him? Still lingering. Still mystery is lingering about him, about tooth. How did he die? One question, how did he die? That is a mystery. And how old was he at the time of his death? This is also not revealed so far. We are not au fait about it. Let's proceed to the next paragraph. King Tut's demise means death, was a big event. So why big event, you have understood? Because he was very important ruler and he died, he just ruled for only 9 years and he died in his late teens. and the death was mysterious. So King Tut's demise was a great event or big event, even by royal standards, royal, kingly royal standards. He was the last of his family's line. And in that very article from Wisdom, Egypt, the land of pharaohs and pyramids, we discussed also, understood that he was the last of his family's line, and his funeral was the death rattle of a dynasty. Death rattle of a dynasty, family line dynasty. And rattle, onomatopoeic word, the situation that exists as a result of an important event. So this is what is there, rattle, onomatopoeic word. Onomatopoeic word. What type of sound? Short sound, noises when hitting against something hard. So rattle of dynasty, understood? Death rattle of dynasty. But the particulars of his passing away, death, rhetorically such type of words are used, pass away, understood? And just we use it as euphemism also, as far as rhetorical terms are concerned, to avoid the immediate shock, understood? For example, our beloved ex-president passed away. So just to avoid the sudden shock, we just expressed in just quoted, understood? Just capsules quoted that is unpleasant news is just kept quoted. So particulars of his passing away and its aftermath. Aftermath, the situation that exists as a result of an important event. Important event here, actually it is the death of the situation that exists as a result of an important event. An important event, the important event is the death of a tooth, understood? So that is aftermath, are unclear. It is not clear. Still, it remains a mystery. Mystery is not revealed. Let's proceed to the next paragraph. Amenhotep III. I think you can remember while I was reading out that article from Wisdom, I asked you to just note down these names so that you can know the very history of Tut. Understood? That dynasty. Important dynasty, the 18th dynasty is golden age, we discussed there. So Amenhotep III, Tut's father or grandfather, was a powerful pharaoh, ruler also, king, who ruled for almost 4 decades. So that means 40 years at the height of his 18th dynasty's golden age, and that is can be termed as golden age. His son Amenhotep IV succeeded after that he became the king, understood? Succeeded, followed him, and initiated means began or started one of the strangest periods, my dear students. But when there, it should be one of the बहुत सारे strangest period में एक, one of the great poets, you remember, one of the great writers, one of the greatest events, clear? बहुत सारे events में एक. So very often student write that one लिखा है तो इसमें भी period हो जाएगा, no, one of the बहुत सारे periods में एक. I think you have understood. One of the strangest, and here strange, stranger, strangest, strange, stranger, strangest, strange adjective, comparative degree is done, that is stranger, and superlative degree is strangest periods in the history of ancient Egypt. Ancient means old Egypt. Already we have discussed the history of ancient Egypt. The new pharaoh promoted, encouraged the worship of the Aten. Who is Aten? The sun disk. sun god, understood? Sun, disk, circular, that is changed his name to Akhenaten. God ka, since they worshipped Aten, so that's why the king changed his name. Understood? From Amenhotep 4, he changed his name into Akhenaten. So think about how religious he was. Or what is the meaning of Akhenaten? Servant of the Aten god, sun god, understood? And moved the religious capital from the old city of Thebes to the new city of Akhetaten. Akhetaten, changed name, understood? City also name changed, Akhetaten, according to God's name. Known now as Amarna. This time it is known as Amarna. Full stop. He फर्दर शॉक्ड, फर्दर तो या यही शॉक का अंतिम नहीं था, फर्दर शॉक्ड द कंट्री बाय अटैकिंग अमून, ए मेजर गॉड. So think about how he was inclined to that god Aten, and he attacked Amun, a major god, smashing, breaking, he is destroying his images. Image of Amun was destroyed by Akhenaten and closing his temples. It must have been a horrific time. So my dear students, I think you can understand how terrible time it was. Understood? And who commented this? It was said by Ray Johnson. Who is Ray Johnson? Director of the University of Chicago's Research Center in Luxor, the site of ancient Thebes. Information-based questions may come. The family that had ruled for centuries was coming to an end, and then Akhenaten went a little wacky. It's natural that he became little wacky or odd, strange, understood? Started behaving odd. So all these things happened, and this after that I think we will find after that Tut's name will be mentioned also, understood? So history का अंदर history, story का अंदर story. So let's proceed to the next part, that is word meaning, understood? Inferring word meaning. Defense means safety, or you can say, already we have discussed this word also, I think, protection. Next, circumvented means entrapped or cheated. Ripped means cut it open. Apart means separated. Royals means members of the royal families. Fabulously astounding. Riches, wealth. Great beyond death beyond hoga. My dear students, please come back. That is death beyond. Sorry for this is just, let me match it with the that great beyond. Great beyond, yes, it is okay. So meaning is beyond death. Beyond death. Next, lavished, showered with. Lavished means showered with, abundance with. Glittering means shining. Precious means costly. Bracelets, ornaments of the wrist. Ceremonial, worn during the ceremony. Apron, cloak or outer garment. Sheaths means covering to keep the sword in. Iconic, the iconic word, like an icon, like an image. Adornments, things for decoration and makeup. Severed, separated, concealed. Concealed, hid का hide, hidden हो गया, past tense. Archaeology means science of studying an ancient sites or building. An हो जाएगा, an ancient. My dear students, sorry for unintentional mistake. Studying an ancient. Next, substantially means greatly, or in a you can say substantially in a great manner. greatly, or in a considerable manner, sorry, in a considerable manner, intervening in between, sophisticated, most complex and modern, anatomy related to the body, startling, amazing, cakes here used as verb, covers, diagnostic that examines, imaging, capturing images, computed, computerized, tomography, technique of body examination through x-rays, slices means pieces, three-dimensional having length, breadth and height, having volume, you are well aware, virtual real, rattle, short loud noises when hitting against hard substances, dynasty, family line, particulars, details, Amenhotep III, who was Amenhotep III? Egyptian king, Tut's father or grandfather. Succeeded means followed. Initiated means began or started, promoted, encouraged, disc, circular, smashing, breaking, wacky, odd. Now I am showing you the mask of tooth. First one is this is the mask of tooth, understood, tooth mask, and second one is the three nested coffins, that is observed by Carter, observed by Carter. This is the coffin, three nested coffins. Thank you. Thank you, my dear students, for you have listened to me with the greatest concentration. Thank you once again.